That's right, boys. Secret weapons on the hunt. Four-row reels. You won't believe this. 60-pound test. 80-pound leaders. 10-0 trebles. We are hooked up. Secret mission to catch monster fish. That ain't no joke either. It's the biggest fish ever caught in a kayak. I'm going to show you in a few minutes. There he is. He saw the boat. This is great. Should have really pulled the anchor out, but what do I do when I get him up? That's the question. What do I do? Oh, nice fish. Shame it's a ray. Oh man, you are not on my list. Oh, that was a great fight anyway. Well, that's good practice. Gotta watch his tail. Looks like a cow nose ray. That's not what I want. Here I have to move my operation. Alrighty. Yeah, he kind of peeled up slow. I should have known that. Alright, that's not what I want. We gotta take care of him.